Hello, this is SJ Highlights, and today I'm coming to you with another project. This is a very ambitious project, you guys. Very, very ambitious. What I'm using today is an old headboard here, and I'm going to try to make a little vanity table from it. Like I said, extremely ambitious. Alright, so I have these posts here. I have a hammer, I got nails, I have glue sticks, I got the leather fabric here that is going to be covering it. I have a circle saw to cut the legs for the headboard. I'm sorry, for the vanity table. Some bling wrap. So we'll see. If this gets posted, then that means that it turned out decent or great. So stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use this circle saw here to cut this wood in half. Okay, so this is going to be the legs for my table. Alright, let's get started on cutting. Okay, so now we have all three of the legs, which were head post, cut. They're all cut, if you can see that. All even. Now let's get the top of the would-be table connected to these posts. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I already have the legs underneath, and I'm securing the legs onto the headboard would-be table top. Okay, so let me okay, so that's all I'm doing is putting some nails in there. Let me go get some more nails. Okay, so all I'm doing is taking it so that it'll be sturdy. If you can see this, there are the legs there, like that. You see that? I got three. There's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I have these things here. I had them for a long time. They go for, you know, like the shower finish. What's this? The shower finals. So anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to use it for this project. I already have one in there. I pre-drilled this hole already, so I'm going to come over here and I'm going to try to put it in here. I don't know if I can do this one-handed, but I'm going to try, okay? Okay, alright. Okay, so yeah. Alright, so yeah, so I think that'll be cute. To have just some type of embellishments, you know. Okay guys, so what I've done now is I've taken it outside and I'm going to use this metallic finish spray paint, and I'm going to spray paint these legs like this. Let's show you. Okay, I'm going to do this all over. Okay, so now that it's all spray painted, we're going to let that dry and come back and put the material on the top. Okay, so now guys, what I'm going to do is I am going to cut this fabric. Remember this material? I'm going to cut this material and edge it to fit this now tabletop. So I'm going to cut it. I got to measure, I got to, you know, outline it and cut it so that it can, I can get it onto the top. And this is going to be my cover for it right here. Isn't that pretty? So when you cut it, you want to make sure that you leave a little bit of overage. Leave a little overage over here. And I cut it first. I cut it down. Okay, so I cut it down on the opposite side, so that way it's easy for me to actually go through the outlines and grooves and everything when you don't have that extra material. Alright, so I flipped it over and on there, and let me tell you what I did. I took a pen right here, and you see that? I outlined it. So I'm going to cut on this outline. You see that? Just like that. So you just take a pen if you want to cut something to measure it. And I hope you can see it. I hope it's focused. Okay, there you go. Alright, so trace the outline of what you're cutting like that. And now all you gotta do is cut it out. Alright, so you just follow the outline, cutting it out. See, all I did was cut. I'm going to follow the outline all the way to the end. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put some glue here with the glue stick, and we're going to use this E6000. As you can see, it's already lined up. You can see that. See? It's already cut. It's lined up. So now all we got to do is glue it down. And guys, you should see what I'm going to be making the chair out of. Hopefully it turns out right. We'll see. If you see a next video with the chair, then it turned out right. Okay, so now what I'm doing here is I am bling wrapping the edge and corners of the table. Forgive my fingers, been working. There's paint all over everything. Okay, so just bling wrap it like that. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back on, remember? Ugh, it's so hard to do one-handed. But I'm going to screw this in, and then I'm going to show you the final reveal. I have to wait until do it off camera because I'm one-handed, guys. So I'll show you the final reveal coming up in 3, 2, 1.
Could be your escape. Take you to a place where there's no time, no space. I could be your private island on a different planet. Anything could happen. Listen to the waves, let them wash away your pain.